Hello and welcome to another Artful Bodger video. Today I have an Ikea Godmorgon bathroom cabinet. I'm going to unbox it and build it after this. So here we have the box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? It says no knives, so I won't use my opening knife. Okay, there's the instructions. Relatively straightforward and relatively small amount of pieces. Some glass shelves here by the looks of things. There we go. Got some hinges and some other bits and bobs. So the first thing that strikes me is there isn't an awful lot to it. It looks like the back is very thin, but that's fine because it's going to be hanging on the wall. And this is the door. All this blue plastic to protect it. Next thing is to put it together. So I'm guessing we really do need to take this glue off now. I have to say that Ikea do know how to do flat pack really well. I have fond memories of MFI. Oh gosh, fond memories of MFI, but I have to say, their stuff was never as good a quality. This, you can just tell the quality of the finish is just very good. And this was a relatively inexpensive piece of furniture. Okay, I've now installed it with a few little hiccups. They were completely my fault, nothing to do with the design. I have to say, overall, pretty impressed. There's a little bit of an imperfection in the paint here. I mean, for the price, really, you can't complain. Really, really clean. It comes with 4 shelves. I've only used 2, but it comes with 4. Something I really like with IKEA stuff is they do put a bit of thought into the design, and in fact, these very neat mounting points got little plastic covers on them. They actually give you the ability to adjust the unit and how level it is after you've drilled your holes, which is super useful because let's face it, the rest of the world, most of us can't drill completely accurately, so it gives you probably about 1 centimetre either side, which is a fair amount of adjustment there. Hopefully you found this useful. If you have, please do give us a subscribe. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, and give us a thumbs up. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video.